This is Aaron with Tampa Bay Plumbing at 4003 West Fair Oaks Ave, Tampa, Florida. I have successfully been able to send my camera up the line from the clean out outside of the house to the toilet that has been causing issues. You can now see the condition of this pipe. A good milling would definitely be recommended. As you can see here, that's where our shower ties in. And then we got our sink. The condition is very rough. All of the scale here potentially grab onto all sorts of toilet papers. Starting to trough here in the middle with the walls building up on the sides. So good solid milling here. We'll probably clear this issue up, followed with a good flushing. And that is the end of the recording. Back to the cleanout.